Hello and welcome to my course on search engine optimization. My name is Peter Kent and I'm going to teach you about SEO, everything you need to know to successfully promote your website in the free or organic search results of the major search engines. Why me? I've been involved in SEO a long time, since around the turn of the century in fact. I wrote a best-selling book about the subject, Search Engine Optimization for Dummies. I've written 6 editions of this book since 2004, read by hundreds of thousands of people in a variety of languages. And I've helped literally hundreds of companies, large and small, with improving their SEO, including Amazon, Zillow, and Lonely Planet. But my online experience is broader than just SEO. I've actually been writing about working and doing business online for more than 2 decades. It's easy to find information about SEO. Just Google it and the fire hose will turn on. You'll be flooded with so much information, much of it confusing and even misleading or completely wrong, that you won't know where to start. It's hard to find common sense, down-to-earth information provided in an easy-to-understand format. That's what this course is all about. My goal is to cut through the nonsense and misinformation about SEO, and believe me, there's plenty of that out there. I'll help you learn the things that really matter in this subject. In fact, in many ways, SEO is easy once you know the secrets. Once you understand a few basic rules about how to create web pages, for instance, it becomes second nature. Each time you create a new page, you'll follow the same basic rules. Coding pages for SEO does not have to be hugely complicated. However, there is a lot to know. Most of what's involved in SEO is about making the right decisions, about using the right technology, for instance, and avoiding things that don't work well in the search engines. About getting links pointing to your site, for example, but understanding what kind of links help you and which kinds don't. It's true that there is a lot to learn, but the good news is, once you understand the rules, the actual work is often quite straightforward. So thanks for joining me, and let's get started. The sooner we begin, the sooner your website will start ranking well in the major search engines.